How to delete your Badoo account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Badoo account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Badoo account, all you have to do is open up your browser. Once you open your browser, in the search box you want to go to badoo.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Once you go to badoo.com, you'll be able to successfully sign into your account, and as you sign into your account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the profile icon and then come to your profile page, tap on the gear icon which is at the top left hand side of the screen. And then once you tap on the gear icon, what you want to do is here you come to the settings page and you have to choose the option called account. And once you choose the option called account, in order to delete our account, from the bottom you'll find this little faint text that says delete account. All you have to do is just tap on it, and right over here I'll just go ahead and select any of the account that I want to delete and any of the reasons for that, and then just tap on the option called confirm delete. And as you can see, it says your account has been deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Badoo account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.